Yes, how to produce shoe polish at home and start your business today. Do you know you can make professional quality shoe polish with just 4 ingredients from your local markets? Yes. Yes, you can. You can sell it and build a real business. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I am giving away a complete production manual. Yes, absolutely free. So why shoe polish? Shoe polish is a everyday commodity or necessity. Offices, schools, military personnel, and households all need it. So the demand is constant. The ingredients are cheap, and the profit margin can be as high as 50 to 60% against the starting capital. So you can start with a small pot, even on your kitchen stove, and scale up to a full mini factory. So this is a perfect low investment business for beginners. So here's what you will need. You need a wax, you need the solvents, you need a dye, and an optional basis, a pleasant fragrance. So the process is in 3 steps. And I want you to discover this in the production manual you will receive at the end of the day. And eventually, at the end of 30 minutes, you will have a batch of shoe polish ready to use or sell. So let's look at the business tips and safety. A few pro tips is is that you have to always walk in a well-ventilated area away from flames, and equip yourself with gloves and a mask. So test your polish on an old shoe first. So it should shine easily rather, not stained, and dry within a few minutes. Package in small tins or plastic jars, and because a good labels, you look professional. Yes, with a good label, you will look very much professional. Then sell to shoe repair shops, street cobblers, or directly on social media. So you can make black, brown, and neutral polish by changing your dye. So the formula stays the same. So I have put together a complete step-by-step production manual with exact measurements, safety precautions, packaging tips, and a sample business plan only for my followers and subscribers. It's completely free. All you need to do is type the word manual, yes, on the comment section below, and I will send you the download link rather directly. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more small business production guides like this. And I will join you to share this. Encourage you to share this with someone who wants to start their own business. And I will see you in the next video. Keep producing, keep earning. You are welcome. Yeah.